Imagine this, you are in the midst of a captivating manga reading session on Tachiyomi, eagerly turning digital pages, when suddenly a foreboding screen appears blank with the cryptic digits error 520. It's as if a mysterious force has disrupted your journey through the colorful worlds of manga. HTTP error 520 is a server-side error signaling that the origin server has returned an empty or unknown response to Tachiyomi. Much like an unsolved riddle, it offers little insight into the specific cause. It could stem from server overload, temporary downtime, or a connection hiccup between your device and the manga repository. Armed with determination, readers embark on a quest for solution. Resetting the app, refreshing the page, or checking internet connectivity often top the list of initial maneuvers. Venturing into Tachiyomi's settings or clearing cache data might also serve as potential remedies. In times of digital distress, the manga-loving community stands as a beacon of support. Forums and online communities become heavens for sharing experience, offering tips, and commiserating over shared encounters with error 520. Collaboratively, users often unearth innovative solutions that escape the confines of standard troubleshooting guides. Sometimes the saga of error 520 demands patience. Similar to waiting for the next manga chapter release, resolving this issue might require giving the server a moment to recalibrate or waiting for a backend fix from the platform's administrators. Dear manga enthusiasts, fear not the puzzling error 520, embrace it as a part of the digital odyssey. Share your experiences, lend a helping hand to fellow readers in distress, and remember, amidst the code conundrums lies an opportunity for camaraderie and collective problem solving within the vibrant world of Tachiyomi. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.